today I want to show you what you can build in 1 month if you allow me to teach you how to put together these websites and apps. If you give me 48 hours, if you have no idea how to make websites, this is what I can help you learn. First project that you will build is how to build a website from scratch. What do people build after 1 month of part-time, 4 hours on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 12 hours a week? This is the website that you will make. This is my portfolio, and you will build your version of this. And this is what it does. You can see that here it says, I'm Nelly Sugu. I'm a web development instructor. Here you have some menus where you see about, testimonials, projects, contact, and my classes. And in about, obviously, that's this section that's talking about who I am. I am Nelly, and I love to build stuff and teaching others how to do it. So you can imagine this is the first introduction to people to learn what you do. And over here, I have links that link to my social media that I love to use the most. This will open in a brand new tab. You will learn how to do this. When you click on this link and you go to a brand new tab, you learn how to do that. Here, you have a button. I teach you how to click it, and it goes straight to where you want to lead people. And this is a form that people can fill out. This form is a Google form, and people come in here. This is how I take your emails. I learn a little about you and get to know how I can help you better. So right now I'm at the end of the page. I can scroll up, but this is too much. Let's look at the testimonials. What do my students say? Boom. So you come in here, you can read this. You can imagine this is where you put your customer reviews. This is where you put your customers that rave about you, about your business, about the service that you offer. Some of you might come from different walks of life. You might be a painter, you might be an artist, you might be a mom, you might be a coach, you might be anything. In this day and age, we want and we need to have a presence online. And there's nothing that speaks presence online than a portfolio where you can show people that are interested in you, where you can show them what you are good at, what you do, so you can take these leads. You're a business owner, you're a small business owner, you want some presence. And there's so many things that you can do, but one of the things that you cannot miss is having some presence online. But you can imagine this is your portfolio. These are the things that people say about you. These are the things that let people know that you are credible, that you know what you're talking about. Again, this is my link, nellysugu.com. You can come here and look up what you're going to be building. And another section that I want to show you is you can link to projects that you've done, favorite project that I'm working on right now. Again, for those that don't know, I just quit my job at Wayfair where I was a software engineer, and because I'm super, super passionate about teaching, and I just dedicated my whole life right now to teaching people how to build these websites and these apps, because I saw that there was a need. There's a need for people that need guidance, people that don't catch up as fast as everybody else, people that are not good at teaching themselves, to be able to lend a hand, to share some of the things that I've learned, to share the beauty of being able to create something that's yours and the beauty of trying to make money out of it. So anyway, you can imagine these are some of the projects. You're a painter, you're a business owner, you're whatever you are. You can imagine here having, if you have a YouTube channel, you can link to it. Here you can play this thing right in the website. Here's some of the apps that I've built. You could go check it out again. Boom, opens up in a brand new tab. You're not letting people leave your page. Again, this is my YouTube channel. If you want to go, check it out. And these are some of the projects I've done. I've built apps, built some emojis, built some really cool stuff. So if you're like, Nelly, oh my God, okay, how can I link to my other website? Well, you could also navigate to your own other website. So boom, this is where I put pretty much all the classes that I'm offering and stuff. And over here, right now, I have a timer. I'm offering a free class in Rwanda, Africa, where I was born. And right now, the countdown is 31 days, literally just 1 month. And I will be in Rwanda offering these classes for free. And if you want to take some classes from me online, live, where I teach you how to build this website and this app, there's 59 days left to register. I'm taking 15 students, and I'll teach them how to build all this. I built this thing from scratch. Again, I will teach you how to do this. Again, this is Nelly Sugu, and I want to tell you, man, I have this thing called Coding 0 to 100. And if you are either a total beginner, or if you have a little bit of knowledge, but you want to push yourself further, and you're having trouble learning on your own, I'm your guy. I mean, just go look at my testimonials of what my students have said that I've done for them, and how much I really love teaching, and how passionate I am about this thing. And, hit me up, check out my YouTube channel. This is basically what you will be building if you join me to learn how to build apps and websites.